How to make money clipping YouTube videos on TikTok. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and previous work. Offer competitive pricing initially to build up your portfolio and get reviews. Networking on social media and joining relevant online communities can also help you find potential clients. Step 4. Create and monetize your own clips. If you prefer working independently, consider creating your own YouTube channel or social media accounts dedicated to short clips from popular videos. Ensure you comply with copyright laws by using content that's either royalty-free or under a Creative Commons license. Once you start gaining traction, you can monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Additionally, platforms like TikTok and Instagram offer monetization options for popular accounts. Step 5. Promote your services. Use social media to showcase your work and attract more clients. Share your clips on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter with relevant hashtags. Create a portfolio website where potential clients can view your work and contact you easily. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and continuously improve your skills to stay ahead of the competition. And there you have it. With these steps, you can start making money by clipping YouTube videos. Remember, the key is to understand the market, hone your editing skills, find clients, create your own content, and promote your services effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to Online Earning for more tips on making money online. See you next time.